Guys, the AI video wars just got absolutely crazy. Grok just dropped a massive, heavy-hitting update for video generation. You can now generate continuous AI videos up to 30 seconds long with 100% character consistency. For anyone who has used AI video before, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this step by step, and I'm even going to show you a secret hack to remove the watermark at the end. Alright. First things first, you need to head over to the main Grok website. If you look over at your left sidebar, you are going to see a brand new option called Imagine. Click on that. This is your main creative hub where you can create both images and videos. Right off the bat, you will see it gives you options to select your aspect ratio, whether you want a vertical video for YouTube Shorts and TikTok or a widescreen video for regular YouTube. The choice is yours. For this tutorial, I am going to select the classic 16:9 landscape ratio. Now, before we generate a video, we need to generate our starting image. But honestly, writing a perfectly detailed prompt for a 30-second evolving scene can be really tough for beginners. So here is my ultimate cheat code. Make Grok do the work for you. I just go into the standard Grok chat and explain what I want in plain English. I tell it, I want to generate an XYZ video. Give me an image generation prompt, and then give me the video generation prompts for a 30-second scene broken down into 10-second clips so I can use the Grok Extend option. Guys, it is not rocket science. You just explain your vision, and Grok will literally hand you the perfect optimized prompts for every single stage of your video. Once you have your prompts, simply copy the first image prompt from the chat, go back to your Imagine tab, and paste it right in. I like to generate a few images at once so I can pick the absolute best one. Okay, this one looks incredibly good. I'm gonna click on it. Now, to bring this image to life, all you have to do is click on the Make Video option. To get the best possible result, I am also pasting my specific video motion prompt into the box. Hit Generate and let it cook. And boom, look at this result. It generated a flawless 10-second clip. But 10 seconds isn't enough. I promised you guys a long, continuous shot. So let me show you how to extend this scene further. Click on your generated video, and you will see a magical button called Extend Video. Click that. Now, and this is the most important step, you need to drag the video timeline cursor all the way to the absolute last frame of your video. This tells the AI exactly where to pick up the motion. Paste in your second prompt for the next 10 seconds and hit Generate. Look at this. It perfectly stitched the scenes together, continuing the exact same shot, and now our total video length is 20 seconds. You might be noticing a watermark in the corner, but do not worry. I will show you how to wipe that out completely in just a minute. Stay tuned. Let's push this engine to its absolute limits. For my next use case, I wanted to generate an epic cinematic warrior girl scene. First, I had Grok generate this stunning base image. I clicked Make Video and got my first 10 seconds. It looks phenomenal. Now to extend it, I click Extend Video, drag my cursor to that very last frame again, paste my next scene prompt and hit Generate. Boom! We are at 20 seconds. But let's keep going. I am going to click Extend Video one more time. I select the last frame of the 20-second clip, drop in my final prompt and hit Generate. And there we have it, guys, a massive 30-second continuous AI video clip. Keep in mind, the system will not let you extend past 30 seconds right now, but a half minute of perfectly consistent AI video is absolutely game-changing. Now, let's do a quick reality check on the quality. Honestly, this Grok video update is definitely operating at a Google VO 3.1 level. The consistency is great, but if I am being completely transparent, it is still nowhere near the hyperrealism of CDANS 2. However, the fact that an integrated AI platform is improving this rapidly is massive. Grok is quickly becoming a top-tier video generator. Alright, as promised, let's get rid of that annoying watermark so your videos look 100% professional. All you have to do is go to a free AI watermark removal website. There are tons of them out there. Upload your downloaded Grok video. Simply take your cursor and brush over the watermark area in the corner. Click on remove watermark, wait a few seconds, and boom, it wipes it out like it never even existed. Now you have a clean cinematic shot. Using these exact same extension methods, I generated a few more tests to show you guys. I made this awesome Dark Knight chasing scene, which turned out really decent. Then I tried generating a Mike Tyson versus Logan Paul rematch, and guys, this one is actually really good. The visuals are solid and the AI sound effects are absolutely on point. So that is the brand new Grok Imagine video feature. Go log in, try this 30-second extension trick yourself, and let me know how your videos turn out. Make sure you follow me over on X, Twitter, for daily AI updates, breaking news, and wild use cases. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.